So divatrust.com has sent me this wig to review for you guys. This wig is actually from Main Concept, so if you guys haven't checked them out, make sure that you do. This is from the Red Carpet Premiere collection, and this is a lace front wig. So this is the stock card right here. It's just showing you different colors that this wig is available in. Her name is RCP797 BEA 24. So she is 24 inches. She is a Futura fiber wig. So the hairs is a Futura. I can never say Kankalon texture. So if you guys are not familiar with what Kankalon texture is, it's pretty much just like braiding hair kind of, so it's gonna have that rough texture to it. The color that I'm wearing is SR1B/Sapphire, and she does come in all these colors that I did show you guys as well. She is heat resistant supposedly, but I would be afraid to try it just because of the texture. I feel like the Kankalon texture is a little too rough, and you might experience some shedding. I did experience some shedding brushing through this hair just because the texture was pretty heavy. So just keep that in mind when getting this wig. So let me tell you guys about wig cap construction. So first of all, the parting space that you guys are seeing right here, I didn't pluck the parting space at all or anything like that, to be honest with you, because I didn't really have a problem with it. But maybe in the future I might open it up a little bit more just so that it looks a little more natural and I can play with it a little bit more. So it is one single parting space, so this isn't like a wig where you can part it wherever you want or anything like that. If you want to if you want a side part, all you have to do is just shift it over like this, which I think as a side part she looks really pretty. I never worn her as a side part, so she actually looks kind of cute. But as you guys know, and you guys already have gotten to know me, I do like a middle part. So yeah, so you could wear her like that as well. She does have 3 combs, so she does have 2 in the front, as I'm showing you guys in the clip next to me, and she does also have 1 in the back for extra support. If you are small-headed like myself, you can also adjust the straps on this wig. She's pretty snugged onto my head, so I do like that. And she's not glued onto my head right now, but she's pretty snugged on. So let me tell you guys what I think about this unit. First of all, I do love the color on this unit. I really wanted a subtle blue wig, a subtle blue color wig. So let me show you guys a close-up. As you guys can see, it has kind of like that yaki texture look to it, the hair, but that's because of that Kankalon texture to the hair. How do I feel about the texture? I'm not crazy about it because I wish it was a little softer. I wish it didn't shed as much. I also feel like if you've been wearing her for like a long day or whatever and you try to brush her out, she does get some tangling, but again, it is that Kankalon texture. So if you are planning on getting this wig, just be really aware of that. The one thing that I didn't mention was the density of this hair. The density of this hair is really full. So the fact that it is Kankalon but it has a high density, I like that, because like even if you get some kind of shedding, it's not going to be crazy or anything like that. So I must say that the density in the hair is pretty good. I am 4'11", so this hair does come up to my ribs, to right about here. But again, the length doesn't really bother me. I'm not really a long hair type of person, but I feel like if it goes up to my lower back, I am totally fine with that. So I do love the length as well. I like the parting space because I feel like you can still work on it. It's not like it's a parting space that's difficult to work with either. But other than that, I feel like this wig is definitely slay on the budget worthy. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Make sure that you guys check out divatrust.com if you guys want to get units like this one or any other ones on a good price. And make sure that you guys also check out the link below where you guys can get this wig at a discounted price. Let me know what you guys and what color you guys will wear it. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you guys get notifications on when I'm dropping a new video. I will see you guys soon. Bye.